Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new keyboard and mouse combo that we have received from Riitek. It's called RK400. It is an LED gaming keyboard. Alright, so let's just get into it. You can see the box is nicely designed, and once you see on the top it has two markings. One is going to be the genuine sticker on it. The next one has the model ID. So once we open it, you can see it has three things inside. One is the keyboard, the next one is the mouse, and then comes with a little user manual. Inside of user manual, it just have all the information of what these two can do for you, how you can change the DPI. Alright, so we will get into it. You can see that the keyboard itself is such a nicely designed. It has all the keys that you required for Windows, but it is basically made for gaming purposes. This do light up. You can see it going all the way around. It has all the F1s to F10 on the top, and also have the Windows button in the bottom. And you go on all the way to the right hand side, you have all the numeric buttons there too, and it is laid out pretty nicely. Again, when you're trying to type, it does not make a lot of noise, which is perfect of what I am looking for. And also when you look on the mouse itself, it's such a nicely designed, and yes, it does change light and cannot stop the light to be changed. That's the only thing. But on the top part of it, you do have a little part that you can press, and it changes the DPI. And the DPIs, or the way that it's set up, is three functions, which is going to be 1000, 1600 and 2000 DPI. That's how you're going to set it up, so how fast your mouse will move while you're playing your games. And now when you go around it, it has just the right and left button on the top, and also you have the scroller. The other one on the side does not function anything. It just, you're going to rest your hand on top of it. It is a little bit wider than the other mouses, but again, this is made for low profile gaming and PCs. This works perfectly. You can see that now the keyboard itself, the way that it is designed, it's very nicely laid out, and when you're trying to turn it on, you just have to press the num lock on the top, and you can turn it off the same way. But when you turn it on, it has a rainbow color on top, which is going to be 7 colors that is set up on it. And yes, you cannot change the colors. One really good thing about it, if you spill water or anything to it, it does have little holes in the bottom that it will just come out of there, and no, it does not stay inside of it. On the top part of it, you can see it has a really nice marking, says RII, which is a little bit big, and yes, the color kind of goes to it, so you can see it lit up, bigger icon, and it doesn't hurt your eye when you look at it because it's not very bright, except that it's a very nice keyboard. And you can see me right now just typing on it, and it is so nice. You don't miss any beats or any keys that you press on your computer. This is gonna be my day-to-day base keyboard that I'm going to use, and it is a very phenomenal one. I just don't want to forget and let you guys know that this keyboard and mouse is USB based. You can see that the wire, the one that is created, is done by plastic. On top of that, the connection for the USB is a little bit bigger, but again, makes sense because this is made for your desktop and not for laptop, unless you want to use it there too. So it's very nicely done. And one more thing, that the system requirement for this from Windows XP to Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. Again, this is a very good gaming keyboard. I would recommend this for everyone to buy one. It is very inexpensive. I will be leaving a link where you can order this from in Canada or United States. At the meantime, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.